Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by fixing the technical foundation so your improvements actually rank. First, check robots, TXT and sitemap, XML, then remove accidental noindex tags. This ensures pages are crawlable. Next, pick 10-20 priority keywords for your top collections and products based on intent so you target buyers. Once done, set canonical URLs to resolve duplicates and optimize mobile load time under 3 seconds, so search engines reward your site with better visibility and fewer crawl errors. Now focus on content and user experience to convert traffic into sales. You should write unique title tags and meta descriptions placing the primary keyword early, because relevance and CTR move rankings. Then rewrite product pages with benefit-led copy, clear specs, and at least 300 words using headings to structure content for both users and search bots. Make sure the UX is mobile first. Use breadcrumb trails. Compress images to WebP or 0. 5 quality where acceptable, and test interactions so sessions and conversions improve. To finish, consolidate ranking signals with link structure, monitoring, and fixes. Add internal links between related products and collections with descriptive anchor text so authority flows where it matters. Then run a full SEO audit monthly and track 5 KPIs: organic traffic, keyword rankings, CTR, conversions, and page load time to catch regressions early. If things go wrong, open Google Search Console. Identify errors like 404s or redirect chains and schema failures. Then fix redirects and structured data to restore indexing and performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.